This is a Mercedes GLS63 AMG protected with StarLine Pro with call alert. So we've got the key here. If we try and start the vehicle, it's just not going to start up at all. We get the ignition on, but the vehicle's just not starting. Try again. The ignition comes on, but it doesn't start. This being a call alert, we're going to get a phone call to tell us someone's attempted to steal the car. So we'll just answer and end that call. But that'll obviously alert us if we're in the house and they've tried it in the night. To start this vehicle, obviously without getting the call, got the key here. You keep your foot off the brake. We'll press the start button to get the ignition on. Go through a unique code for the video. We have 1, 2, 3. Hear that tone, foot on the brake, and we can start and the vehicle fires into life. And obviously we don't get the call, we can drive away. When we turn the car off, the system self-activates. So if someone tried it about 10 seconds after you turn the car off, they've got your key, it's not going to start. And obviously you're going to get the phone call in case you're not around. You can set your own code between 3 and 21 presses in any order using these factory buttons on the vehicle. Totally up to you, it can be a combination of multiple. Once again, this is the StarLine Pro with call alert. If we try and start the vehicle, it's not going to start without our unique code. You can choose for pairing a phone and a tag to this system as well, so you don't need to go through a code. And being the call alert, it's also going to ring the phone in a second. There we go. So if we're in the house in the middle of the night, we're going to get the call, we're going to know someone's attempted to steal the vehicle. Thanks for watching.